Welcome to the OPS360 Home module. This walkthrough introduces the dashboard and its key features, helping you monitor daily operations and navigate the platform efficiently. Click the Home icon to access the dashboard, your central workspace for monitoring business operations. The dashboard provides a real-time overview of key metrics, helping you monitor projects, tasks, users, payments, and business activity from one place. Scroll through the dashboard to explore additional widgets, analytics, and operational insights available across your organization. Select Edit Layout to customize your dashboard and arrange widgets based on your workflow preferences. Drag and drop dashboard widgets to organize your workspace and keep frequently used information within easy reach. Scroll through the dashboard to explore additional widgets, analytics, and operational insights available across your organization. Select 7 days to review operational activity and trends from the past week. Choose 90 days to analyze quarterly performance and identify longer-term business trends. Select All to view complete historical data and gain comprehensive operational insights. Switch to My Action Items to view tasks assigned specifically to you. Here you'll find pending and overdue work that needs your attention. Open any task to review details and complete the required action. Use global search to instantly find any module, page, or feature. Simply type what you're looking for to see matching results. Select any result to navigate directly without browsing menus. Click the language selector to change your preferred language. Choose from multiple supported languages for a localized experience. The platform instantly updates to the selected language. Use the theme switch to change between light and dark mode. Dark mode provides a comfortable viewing experience in low-light environments. Use the location filter to view data for a specific branch or all locations. Search and select a location to instantly update your workspace. View all announcements assigned to you in one place. Browse all announcements and track their status. Open message actions for additional options. Select multiple notifications and archive them together. Bulk manage messages with select all and archive options. View previously archived notifications anytime. Quickly review unread notifications that need attention. Cancel the notification panel. Access your profile and account options. Access your comprehensive account settings and preferences. Click on the My Profile to personalize your profile information and details. Here you can update your personal profile information. To change your profile picture, click on the pencil icon. Upload a new profile image from your device. Cancel to close without saving changes. Click the first name field and enter or update your first name. Next, click the last name field and update your last name if required. Enter your new email address, then click Send Verification Code to continue. Enter your new email address, then click Send Verification Code to continue. Click Cancel to close the window without making any changes. Next, enter or update your phone number for account verification and notifications. After updating your details, click Save Changes to save your profile. Next, click the Notifications tab to manage your notification preferences. Here you can review and customize notification settings for different modules. Enable WhatsApp notifications and enter your WhatsApp number to receive updates. Use this switch to enable or disable WhatsApp notifications anytime. Click the notification drop-down to choose how you'd like to receive updates. Select your preferred notification option for comments. Your selected notification preference is now applied for comments. Next, choose how you want to receive announcement notifications. Configure notification preferences for form submissions. Set notification preferences for task assignments, reminders, and overdue tasks. Choose how you want to receive team notifications. Next, configure notification preferences for the Users module. Next, choose how you'd like to receive File Manager notifications from the available delivery options. Click the Calendar notification setting to configure how calendar updates are delivered. Adjust the notification preferences for audits based on how you want to receive updates. Next, configure notification preferences for the Incident Tracker module. Choose how you'd like to receive inventory notifications, including stock and transfer updates. Configure your preferred notification method for order management updates. Next, choose how you'd like to receive web chat notifications. Configure notification preferences for project updates, then continue when you're done. Click the notification drop-down and select the delivery method that best fits your needs. Choose your preferred notification channel, then click Save Changes to apply your settings. Click Save Changes to save all your notification preferences. Next, click the Security tab to manage your account security settings. Click Enable MFA to add an extra layer of security to your account. Scan the QR code with your Authenticator app, then continue to verification. Enter the 6-digit verification code generated by your Authenticator app. Click Verify and enable to complete multi-factor authentication setup, or choose Cancel to exit. Allow users to decide if they want MFA protection. Review days, policy settings. Set the MFA grace period, then click Save Policy to apply the organization-wide security settings. Enforce MFA for all users to maximize security compliance. To change the password, you can update it below. Next, click the Privacy tab to manage your privacy settings and personal data preferences. Here you can manage your cookie preferences and control how cookies are used on your account. Here you can review the data retention policy to see how long your information is stored. You can also access the privacy policy to understand how your personal data is collected and protected. Here you can review the data retention policy to see how long your information is stored. Next, open the Terms of Service to review the platform's terms and usage policies. Click Cookie Policy to learn how cookies and tracking technologies are used. If required, click Request Data Deletion to permanently remove your personal data from the platform. Enter the reason for your request, then click Submit Request to send it for administrator approval. You can cancel the request at any time before submitting, or continue to confirm your data deletion request. Click Modify to update your cookie consent preferences whenever needed. The Cookie Preferences window opens. Here you can review each cookie category and update your consent choices. Click Close when you've finished reviewing your cookie preferences. Click History to view your complete cookie consent history and previous preference changes. Here you can review your consent history for complete transparency and compliance tracking. Click View Privacy Policy to open the complete privacy policy document. Here you can review the full privacy policy, including how your personal information is collected, processed, stored, and protected. Next, click View Full Data Retention Policy to learn how long your data is securely stored and when it is removed according to our retention policy. Here you can review the complete data retention policy, including retention periods and compliance details. Once finished, return to continue the tutorial. Next, click View Terms of Service to review the rules, responsibilities, and conditions for using the OPS360 platform. Access Terms. Here you can read the complete Terms of Service. After reviewing the document, return to continue exploring your account settings. Next, click View Cookie Policy to understand how OPS360 uses cookies and similar technologies to improve your experience. Here you can review our cookie policy, including the types of cookies used and how they help enhance platform performance. Return when you're ready to continue. Next, click the Activity tab to view your account activity and security-related events in one place. Here you can monitor account activities such as email change requests and other important security events. Any future activity will appear here automatically. Click your profile icon in the top right corner to open the Account menu. From the Account menu, click Themes to customize your workspace appearance. The Settings panel opens. Here you can personalize the look and feel of your workspace. Choose your preferred navigation layout to match your working style. Click a different layout to instantly preview the changes. You can also choose between integrate and apparent color styles. Click any preset to preview its colors before applying it. Try different presets until you find the one that best fits your workspace. Select your preferred font to improve readability across the application. Open your profile menu again and click Help whenever you need assistance. The Help Center provides guides, FAQs, videos, and other helpful resources. Click on Profile icon again. If you click AI widget, the widget icon will disappear. As you see it's been removed. Next, click Home from the left navigation menu to return to your main dashboard. Transform your operations today. You've seen how OPS360 simplifies complex workflows and empowers your team. Let's discuss how we can tailor this solution to your unique needs.